Welcome back to another video. So I haven't posted in forever, and the reason is so I'm in my new house. I got the house on December something, and I've been working really hard to purchase this house. This is my house, living room right here. Nothing much, just a nice little setup. TV right there mounted. We got the table right here. Still haven't got my chairs. I should be getting those very soon. They said 6 weeks, a couple weeks ago, like 3 weeks ago. Then we got the kitchen. So, I mean, not really a big house. We got the master bedroom over here. And then we have the 2 spare bedrooms over yonder. One over there on the right side, one on the left side. And today I'm pretty much just getting power steering on my car. So I've had my car for X amount of years, never had power steering. There is still some stuff that I do need to get. So it's gonna be a long project. It's not gonna be a one-day video. I'm gonna do it periodically, slowly, progressively getting further. High pressure line, I am getting it from Drift Motion. And then the reservoir tank, I am probably getting that from Chase Base. They are kind of expensive, but they look pretty tight. They don't have a kit. I was hoping they had a kit, at least for the MK4, so I could put it on my car. I'm guessing they're interchangeable from what I've seen online. So I was just hoping that that would work. Fortunately, no, that's not the case, so I'm piecing it together. Currently, I am at the garage. My hands are a little bit dirty, and I am taking it apart. I didn't record earlier, don't know why, but I got the camera, and the camera's actually about to die, so I am gonna charge this bad boy up. We'll see how far I get into this fucking whatever project, I guess you could call it, and I'll see you guys back soon. So it's been about a week. So my camera battery died. I put it to charge and I forgot all about it. But I got pretty far into the project, so I pretty much took everything that I needed to take off. For example, I took off the rack and pinion. I took off the power steering pump. I put the bracket. Now that bracket's pretty cool. I've seen some that are like 100, 200, really expensive ones. That one's definitely good enough for now. Plus, I like it. Doesn't really look too cheap, but I guess you could say it's one of the cheaper ones that you could get. So I have the new one right here. I have the old one right here. As you can see, it's all crusty and you could barely even spin this shit. It's pretty donezo. I pretty much did everything that day. Today, I'm not really gonna be working on my car because I did order everything. I thought it was gonna take me forever to order everything, but it's not. I decided to just fuck it, just order everything on the spot, which I did. Only problem is here, and I'll actually show you guys. Hold up. I ordered a reservoir tank for my power steering, and it wasn't the Chase Base like I normally thought I was gonna do, because I just didn't think so. Oh, and I actually sealed it already and it's ready to be shipped back. But anyways, that thing was the size of fucking like the largest coffee mug you could find. That thing was huge. So I was like, you know what, never mind. We're gonna go ahead and return that one. So I'm on my way to UPS, return that. Once I return that, I'm also battery for that car. Once I get the battery for that car, it's gonna move to the other side, and then it's gonna stay there. Since that car never moves, it's just gonna stay there. And then my 4Runner, who is out there, she will be parked in here, right there where that Supra is. Makes it a little easier for me. But yeah, so I don't know really where this video is going, so if you're expecting something like rad, this probably isn't the video for you. But I'm gonna record it, I wanna get better, I wanna edit. So for those of you who haven't seen my brother Supra, I'm gonna give it a little run around, what it has done. Not a lot, not too crazy. Stock head, stock bottom end, just turbo, injectors, intercooler. That's about it. I mean, radiator, fuel pressure regulator, but all that shit's like, you need it, so I guess you wouldn't say it's like too much of an upgrade, but I guess it in a way it is an upgrade. So P. Precision turbo, no idea what size, pretty big. It's really tucked down there. Doesn't look that good, but like it looks good. So we have his radiator, he has coilovers, and then he has that fuel pressure regulator. Now keep in mind, this car, it never goes anywhere. Like I said, just grabbing a battery, removing this battery, putting the car over here, and we'll just call it a day. Taking it out for a little cruise just to see what's up with it, make sure everything is running good, which I'm sure it is. It does make cool turbo noises though, that's for sure. A lot better than mine. Sounds good, runs rich like always, so it likes to sputter. Sounds good though, looks good, sounds good, feels good. Everything seems to check out pretty good. I haven't even let it warm up, but we're still gonna just try to hear that turbo. That spool up is crazy. Oh, it doesn't even want to go nowhere. Ugh. What a joke. What a fucking joke this car is. No, I'm just kidding. This car, I love this fucking car. It is a joke though that this fucking car is running rich as hell. You can see, look at that. That's on E85. And then we got the fucking AEM tucked down there. This fucking car is low-key a mess. Needs to get tuned, that's for sure. We'll kind of go straight. It's a little warm, not too warm, but I think it's okay. Give it a little second gear for it. You hear that sputter? Alright, second gear. Let's see if it does any better. And sputters everywhere. I don't know. Something's up with this. Or maybe because it's not warm and hasn't turned on in who knows how fucking long. See how long it takes me to bust a Yui. These cars have terrible angle. Ooh, that power steering is heavy. That's for sure. Let's try another second gear pull. First a second. Overall, this car is pretty dope. It was hella dope when I was driving it. All stock, had some balls to it. Now it's just like hopefully it turns on. Hopefully it fucking drives good. It needs a tune, that's all it really needs. Look, you can hear that. And I'm just cruising. And the AFR is like 9s. Just no bueno, no bueno. Alright, back to the house. And I'm gonna just park it in that third parking spot, and this shit ain't never ever gonna move, guaranteed. Unless I move it. Oh, they don't want to turn off on me, oh no. Good thing we're in front of the house, or else I'd be fucked. Oh, damn, that is a bump. And then what's crazy is that this third parking spot, it's not even a parking spot. I feel like it's not, because the cars don't fit. They have to go in sideways, and that shit's fucking whack as fuck, dude. Like, that is hella whack. Like, I gotta be careful, and like, I'm hella sideways. Look, let me show you guys. It's fucking terrible. See? The car has to be in this car has a bit of a leaking oil problem. But, yeah, has to go inside. This garage fucking sucks dick. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this little section of the video. It's gonna be like a month from now maybe. So I ordered the parts. Some of the parts have to be made as I order them. And with COVID, I mean, it's just gonna take forever to make those parts, and then for delivery, I'll see you guys back in another fucking week. Peace. So today is a new day. It's been about like 2-3 weeks since last update, but I finally got most of the parts. So I'm pretty much just waiting for the for the rack and pinion. That's pretty much it. I already got the, let me show you. I got the pump. Use an old pump. It's fucking all, ugh. I do gotta get this bracket right here, this right here. That stays. I got the chase base, reservoir tank. What else did I get? Bushings, belt. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So today I'm just gonna clean pretty much all the bolts, the brackets for the power steering, rack and pinion. I mean, I don't know why, but I keep forgetting what that shit's called. But anyways, so gotta wash all of that shit, put on as much as I can, because tomorrow, hopefully, fingers crossed, that's the last day that the guy has the rack and pinion. He's rebuilding it, and I should have it back by tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm just gonna slide right under, get the shit slapped on, and hopefully I'm driving with power steering. So it's been quite a while since the last update, and I mean, a lot of shit has happened. I got my wisdom tooth pulled out. I haven't been wanting to record, especially because every time I talk, like right now, I'm bleeding and I could taste all the blood. That shit is fucking gross. But I did get kind of, I had a lot of work. So in the meantime, while I couldn't talk, I pretty much finished the car. Didn't want to record it, didn't want to do anything. I was just in pain. So I kind of just stayed quiet and worked on my car. So it's all finished. I have everything done. She's parked outside, and so the rest of the video, I don't want to do too much talking because once again, my tooth got pulled out and it kind of hurts to talk. So it's just going to be kind of like a B-roll kind of type of deal, I guess you could say. So it's just gonna be me cruising in, making sure that the power steering works. I haven't taken the car out for a good drive, so I mean, it works. I don't know how good it works, but it works. It is a little bit heavy, but it's better than having no power steering. I heard something about a vacuum line connected to it, whatever, not sure, but it works. Another thing that I didn't actually tell you guys is I bought new wheels, and I bought Ray's Graham Lights 57Cs. They look pretty good. They look alright. I think they look better than the other ones, especially because they're all squared. They're 18 by 10.5 with 20 something offset, and they look good. Peep this. They look pretty fucking good. Now it is a little bit windy, but yeah, it looks pretty good. I think it looks really good. A lot better. They definitely have some poke to them, but not too much, as you can see right here. Car is super low, so they do tuck in. I also washed my car, so looks nice and clean. Don't mind the hood. And then with the reservoir tank here, let me I'm actually warming it up, trying to get nice and warm. Now, don't mind the engine hood, because the engine hood, the fucking engine bay is over in this car. So, here's the reservoir. Make that bracket. Got the hose. best work ever, but it does work. Another thing also, with this bracket, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's shaking. It's as tight as it goes, so I don't know, we're just gonna have to send it and see what the fuck happens. But I'm very happy with the outcome. And so the other wheels that I had on the car, not sure if I want to sell them. I kind of want to sell them, but I don't know. They are Advans. Here, let me show you guys. They are Advans. What are they? RSDs. There you go. All black. In pretty good condition. They do have like a couple of scrapes right here. You can probably see it there. I mean, they work well. I just kind of didn't like the dimensions. So the fronts were 18 by 9, and then the rears were 18 by 10. I like a squared setup, so yeah. Not sure what to do with them. Sell them, keep them. That stimmy did hit, so I think I'm gonna get a steering angle kit, since I mean, that stimulus money, it's like bullshit money, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and buy a steering angle kit. I definitely need a turbo, but whatever, we'll get into that a little bit later. So like I said, rest of this video kind of just like me cruising around Las Vegas, kind of trying to take some pictures and whatnot. So thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't update enough, but I'm in pain, and right now all I taste is fucking blood. So thanks for watching. Peace.